approximately 25 to 30 years old.
25 to 30 years. And then how many layers? It looks like there's at least 2 layers, maybe 3 or 4.
Yeah, underneath this roof is actually wood shake, which is really big back in the 40s and 50s.
So you got multiple layers of asphalt on top of wood shake. You told me earlier there's no underlayment.
No underlayment.
No underlayment. So they literally just took wood shakes, right, and just went straight to the decking, and then put multiple layers of asphalt material on top of that.
Yes,
Okay.
no underlayment.
So tell me, like, you did an inspection on this. What kind of other issues did you come across?
I noticed that a lot of the granules are lost on this roof.
Yep.
And the granules is what gives the roof the UV protection it needs from the sun. You can see a lot of the fiberglass exposed on this roof because it has improper exhaust. It has no exhaust. It doesn't even exist.
Yeah, I mean,
So-
I don't see any ventilation on this roof whatsoever.
There's no turbines, there's no box vents, there's no ridge vent. So the shingles are actually baking underneath this roof with the heat from the sun
Yeah.
and the heat rising from inside the house. These shingles have been baking.
Yeah, and what we know, and as roofing experts, if there is no ventilation, it causes premature granule loss. And manufacturers, basically every single major manufacturer that I know of, in their warranty, they reserve the right to deny any warranty claim on a roof if it's not ventilated properly.
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay. What else did you find?
The valleys were cut improperly. You can see the workmanship, they're not straight. A lot of cuts inaccurately on the shingle itself. So aesthetically, it just doesn't look really nice.
Okay.
Now, one of the reasons why some of these shingles are actually blown off is because when they installed this roof, improper installation, they nailed in the shingles way above the nail line. These shingles were actually not even installed properly.
Oh yeah. Totally see that.
Yeah, there's a whole nail here when it's supposed to be going down. So this whole entire roof, when they installed it, it was installed improperly.
Awesome. Thanks, David.
Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Ready to book your free inspection? Check the link in the description box for more information.